Hello everyone, it's me Dichubi Diwata and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to the newest cover song, newest upload of France Rhythm, and this is Sister Golden Hair, published 3 days ago with 63,000 views. Ayan, timeless classic music na naman tayo at alam naman natin kapag ka mga classic music, France Rhythm the best yan, okay? So, America, sobrang popular nito way back 1970s and isa itong Sister Golden Hair sa talagang sumikat at talaga, I think para nag-top 1 ito for 1 week sa Billboard, no? So ayan, pakinggan na natin ang kanilang version and I'm pretty sure masisiyahan na naman tayo sa kanilang version na ito. Let's go! Wow! Ang ganda ng blending doon,
Well, I tried to make it Sunday, but I got so damn depressed. But I set my sights on Monday, and I've got myself undressed. I ain't ready for the autumn, but I do agree this time, when a woman sure can be a friend of mine. Well, I keep on thinking about you, Sister Golden Hair surprise. Now I just can't live without you. Can't you see it in my eyes? Now I've been one poor correspondent. I've been too hard to find, but it doesn't mean you ain't been on my mind. Well, you meet me in the middle. Well, you meet me in the air. Well, you love me just a little, just enough to show you care. Well, I tried to fake it, I don't mind saying I just can't make it. I keep on thinking about you, Sister Golden Hair surprise. Now I just can't live without you. Can't you see it in my eyes? Now I've been one poor correspondent. I've been too hard to find, but it doesn't mean you ain't been on my mind. Well, you meet me in the middle. Well, you meet me in the air. Will you love me just a little, just enough to show you care? Well, I try to fake it, I don't mind saying I just can't make it. Thank you for watching, guys.
Only here at France Rhythm Channel.
Grabe, sobrang ganda ng version na to. Nakakatuwa. Sobrang nabilib ako kay Dodds, no? Pagka naka-headset ka, grabe, dinig na dinig mo yung timing ng pagpalo niya sa drums. Sobrang na-amaze ako sa iyo, Dodds. Grabe, tuwing napapakinggan kita, tuwing napapanood kita, hindi maiwasan na talaga na ma-amaze ako sa kanya. Bawat palo niya, napapalaki yung mata ko. And Chen and Char, you played it so well. Sobrang galing ng blending ng ng guitars nyo, no? And of course, si Daddy France, Daddy, napakalamig ng boses mo. Sobrang parang mas mas appreciate ko itong version na to. And correct me if I'm wrong, parang ang France Rhythm ang kauna-unahang Filipino na gumawa ng version ng Sister Golden here. And sobrang nakaka-proud kasi ang daming mga mga cover song na sila yung nauunang gumagawa, o diba? Anyway, ayan, sobrang ganda ng version na ito. Actually, nabitin po talaga ako na sobra. And sobrang linis ng pagkakaareglo, sobrang ganda ng blending, ng harmony. And yun nga, ang sarap pakinggan, lalo kapag ka naka-headset ka, tapos yung yung tipa ng gitara ni Chen at saka ni Char, pag nagsabay, oh my God, hindi ko alam kung sino sa kanilang dalawa yung titingnan ko, kasi sobrang husay talaga, and wala kang itulak kabigin. Lahat ay kakabigin mo kasi sobrang galing nila, and nakaka-proud ang mga ganito napaka-talented na mga mga musicians, no? And ano pa bang hinihintay natin, kung gusto niyo pang mapakinggan ang mga cover songs ng France Rhythm, please don't forget to subscribe France Rhythm. Ayan, ang dami nilang mga original composition at mga magagandang cover songs na mapapakinggan at mai-enjoy niyo po. And if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up, and if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video, okay? So, subscribe na din po ang aking DJB Israel. Ayan, DJB Israel, DJB Diwata, dalawang channel ni DJB. Subscribe na lang po, palambing. Ayan, thank you so much for always watching, and always remember that music is life and life is dull without music. Bye-bye, everyone! Hope to see you again on my next vlog. I love you all.